In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on dark theme in Paint app on Windows 11. So if you want to turn on the dark theme, it is actually very simple. First of all, launch open the Paint application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Right now I'm using the Windows 10, so I'm not being able to see that option over here. Right now I'm using Windows 10, so I'm not being able to see the icon over here. But what you have to do is click on it. After you do that, click on the option appearance. Now select the option for dark and you should be able to view the paint in the dark mode. Alternatively, you can also enable the dark mode of your system itself. For that, what you have to do is simply right click on your desktop. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option personalize that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for themes. Click on it. Now after that, you can see over here the settings for personalization will be opened. Make sure to select this option for colors. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is click on this option for choose your color. Now click on this option dark. Now after you do that, the dark theme will be selected. Now you might be able to view the paint in the dark theme. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you turn on dark theme in Paint app on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.